Hey, what's up everybody? Today we will be taking a look at Transformers Combiner Wars Protectobot blades, which of course is a recolor, retool of the Alpha Bravo figure released in the Superion line. So I won't go into too much detail in the transformation, so let's start off with the helicopter mode here. One thing I like that's different from Alpha Bravo is, as you can see here, it's got a nice Autobot Coastal Rescue kind of logo there, which is nice. And as with Alpha Bravo, you can use the actual foot mode to kind of display the helicopter so it kind of hovers somewhat, but it does serve as kind of a stand. So let me go ahead and remove these weapons accessories, and we'll jump right into the transformation. So first off, we'll be going into leg mode. Let me go and rotate the head around. And then we'll plug in the foot. And there is Blades in his leg mode. Next up, we'll form the arm. Go ahead and take the foot, transform it into the hand. In this case, I'm just showing you the left arm, but it'd be reversed, of course, for the right arm of the combined mode. So we got our hand here. Plug it in. And there you got the arm mode, in this case the left arm. Alright, let's go ahead and bring him into his robot mode. So here is Blades in robot mode. Take a look at him real quick here. Again, no surprises here if you already have the Alpha Bravo figure. And we can go ahead and weapon him up with his rifle and his other weapon here. Alright, so real quickly, articulation I think is the same across all these Combiner Wars figures so far. The ball jointed head, ball jointed shoulders. This case there is no swivel at the bicep, so I guess it's not exactly the same, but there is, as you can see, a bend at the elbow. There is no articulation below the elbow. Waist articulation is present. Ball jointed hips, swivel thighs, bend at the knee. And that's it for articulation for Protectobot blades / Alpha Bravo. So yeah, pretty cool. actually have to say, in terms of Alpha Bravo versus Blades, I like Blades better because of the color scheme. And of course, it goes much better, much more G1 accurate, as I have a helicopter limb in Team Member. So he fits well into the G1 Protectobot's setup there. And finally, let's take a quick look at the comic book. Nice picture of Blades there. Got this little nice little information here in the back, bio kind of thing, showing you the toy. And as we open up the cover here, you can see here what happened previously and the storyline. I'm not sure which comic and issue this is. It may say somewhere here, but it's not very obvious. This is actually the first time I took a look at the actual artwork in the comic, so let's take a look at that together here, just briefly. See if we can see anything cool, anything noteworthy so far. Nothing really. Humans. And finally we get to look like Cosmos. Yeah, pretty cool. Ooh, Skylinks. That's a cool artwork there. Yeah. So if you're a follower of the comics, you may know what issue this is, what line and issue this is from, or what storyline and issue. More humans, some bots, and I think that's it. Yeah. So there you go. This has been a review of the Transformers Combiner Wars Protectobot Blades. Alright, catch you guys and gals later.